हरे कृष्णा। मधु पंडितेर प्राण धन है, मधु पंडितेरा प्राण धन है। जय राधा गोपीनाथ, राधा गोपीनाथ राधे। जय राधा गोपीनाथ, राधा गोपीनाथ राधे। So Madhu Pandit, he was the Acharya who discovered these deities of Shri Shri Radha Gopinath Ji. All the way from Bengal, he had come to Vrindavan because he was very despondent. He was very desperately seeking where these lost deities are. So he was searching in Vrindavan, different places he could not find, and he was there at Vamshivat, and day in and day out he would cry in separation because he wanted to have darshan of that beautiful deities of Shri Shri Radha Gopinath Ji. So once there was a flood and the trees were uprooted, and beneath a tree was discovered this beautiful deity of Radha Gopinath, and the deities were taken out, and 1632 a very grand temple was constructed in Vrindavan by a Rajputana king. So even today we see that huge beautiful temple in Vrindavan. And a very, I would say, a super speciality of this temple is that this is the only temple in Vrindavan where we also find, along with Shri Shri Radha Krishna, the deity of Anang Manjari. So Anang Manjari is the younger sister of Srimati Radharani, and in this temple, so Gopinath stands in the center. On his left is Anang Manjari, and on his right is Srimati Radharani. So this is how the devotees had been worshipping. And after some time, actually, Jahanva Mata, the wife of Nityananda Prabhu, she had also come to have darshan of these beautiful deities. And she realized that somehow Gopinath is tall, but Radharani is very short. So she said, okay, we will carve another set or another Radharani deities and replace this Radharani. So the carving work started based on her instructions, whatever she ordered. And miraculously, the deities who had come out after that carving was very, very similar to Anang Manjari and not to Srimati Radharani. So the devotees decided that probably this is the plan of Krishna and this is how he desires, because Anang Manjari does such invaluable services in the pastimes of Sri Radha and Krishna. So actually the deities of Anang Manjari was replaced then, and the Radharani and Gopinath, that deities were maintained. So sometime later, as the Mughal emperors started their invasion and destruction of the temple, so these original deities were first moved from Vrindavan to Radhakund, from Radhakund to Kamyavan, and after some time, for safeguarding these deities, the deities were actually shifted to Jaipur. So currently also the temple of Shri Shri Radha Gopinath Ji in Vrindavan, the puja archana happens there. The Pratibhu deities are there, and those original deities which were found by Madhu Pandit are installed in a beautiful temple in Jaipur. So this is about Shri Shri Radha Gopinath. Hare Krishna.